Hello guys, most welcome to our channels. Today discuss about the previous question papers. So let's start without wasting time. First question is artery ventricular wall are formed by the correct answer will be the D, double fold of the endometrium with the fibrous. Second, coronary artery is a branch of ascending artery. Aorta is correct answer is a A. Third question, diffuse of nutrition and gases take place. Correct answer will be the B, capillaries. They are converted into the deoxygenated to oxygenated. According to ICRP, manual effective dose for the radiation exposure is a very important questions, is about 20 millisieverts, and it is according to same 20 millisievert of the AERB, Atomic Energy Regulatory Board, and ICRP, International Commission Radiological Radiation Protection. So it is both of the same 20 millisievert, and 30 millisievert are the is like to purchase of the NCRP, but correct answer will the B, 20 millisievert, and the option is a 50 millisievert is according to NCRP. Okay, then next question, the radiation weighting factor of X-ray is a correct answer will the 1, option number D. Radiation weighting factor is a 1, correct answer will be the D, which is not basic principle of radiation protection. Radiation protection, all principle are included in justification, optimization, limitation, but is a regulation is not a part of radiation protection. So that is correct answer with the B. Then which of the following contribute the most of the background dose of radiation to which is the population of exposed? So is correct answer with the same, medical radiation exposure is a all around the background and secondary primary radiation equipments. So it's medical exposure. Not a flying a plane, we will not creature is not corresponding. So it is correct answer with the C. During the radiography barrier. Digestive system, what is the role in including the gastric GIT system to stimulate gastric secretions? So then which of the following term is used to describe the charge of large food into smaller molecules? So it is correct answer is a mechanical dissection. The next question, is a mnemonic of the this question. They are the food molecules. Is food molecules is large food molecules that are the is follow the processes is a process is done in gastration, is a mean gastration in the stomach. So that is the mechanically dissection. Okay. Then acinic gland, where is the acinic gland of a exocrine pancreas produce? So acinic gland is a exocrine and endocrine gland. So it is pancreatic, actually endocrine and exocrine gland. So is acinic gland is of a pancreatic juice. So where is a pancreas is acinic gland of the excretion pancreas is produce. It is a acinic juice. Pancreas is produce is acinic juice. Okay. And then which of the following is a function of liver? To absorb of fluid, not it is function. To secrete of saliva, not is a secretion of salivary gland. To secrete of bile, it is a correct answer. To secrete of tear, it is a lacrimal gland, but it is correct answer will be the C. Which is the original of Zenker diverticulum? Is a hypopharynx. Okay. Where is the origin of a Zenker diverticulum? It is correct answer will be the C. Alimentary canal passes through the thorax, abdominal, pelvis. Alimentary canal is behind the is like posterior side of the alimentary canal, is behind the vertebrae. So it's thorax, abdomen, pelvis. Alimentary canal is a lies is a pouch like is a pipe like, yeah. Composition of a lymph is similar to that of plasma. Composition of lymph is a composition of lymph is a plasma. Plasma are the about 55% in blood. A role of thymus is a what is the role of thymus? Monitors of specific potential lymphocytes. Correct answer is the A. Spleen contain two types of pulp tissue, red and white. Spleen contain two types of pulp tissue, red and white. Lymph nodes are distributed through the body and are not present in CNS. Lymph nodes are the ground, neck, and aromatic, but it is not a CNS, not present in CNS, because lymph nodes are not present in CNS. The blood supply of the lungs is bronchial arteries. Pulmonary vein are oxygenated blood carrying. Pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood carries. Lower thoracic aorta, it is a descending aorta, but brachial artery is supplied by the lungs. Okay, then next. Gas exchange take place in alveoli. It is a structural and functional unit of respiratory system. Important question: gas exchange take place in the alveoli. Then the wall of all following the structure of supported by cartilage except cartilage. If trachea is made up of cartilage, bronchi is made up of cartilage, larynx is made up of cartilage, but bronchiole is not made up of cartilage. That's why correct answer will be the A. Total number of capacity, total lung capacity is 6 liters. Most of lung capacity is white is the total capacity, is vital capacity, volume capacity. You can see on Google, but here is the answer of the total capacity of 6 liters. 6 liters is capacity of a air included inhale and exhale. The cell of respiratory center. The cell of respiratory center are contained with the inhalation, expiration, exhalation or phrenic nerves. So cell of respiratory center at the control with the phrenic nerves. Okay, it control of the when the inhalation and exhalations, it automatically process. Is involuntary process actually. That's is the phrenic nerves. Is a okay. Which is the following arteries? The bronchial arteries most common arise. So its correct answer will be the thoracic artery. The bronchial is actually ascending in a ascending aorta actually, but that is a thoracic aorta. That is arise from the bronchial. Is a thoracic part. So that's why this thoracic artery. Thoracic artery is a ascending aorta. It's supplied the upper body. Scintillation detector is a large flat crystal. Which of the following material is sodium iodide, sodium chloride, sodium sulfide, sodium carbonate? Sodium carbonate is used in processing room. Sodium sulfide is actually film processing, and sodium chloride actually is a processing room used in it. But sodium iodide, it is used in the scintillation detector. It is a DDR or DR system which is used. Which of the following used in ionization gas in GM counter? Argon is used in GM counter. Then next question: what is the fundamental principle of radiation detection by GM counter? Ionization. The GM counter is actually is measurement of radiation unit of. So what does the term of hypochondrium refer? What does the term of hypochondrium refer to? It is correct answer with the B. The region of the abdomen inferior to the hypochondrium. This is agrestum is a region of abdomen. Actually, 9 quadrant of abdomen. The hypochondrium is a region of the ribs and here is a ribs and so it's correct answer with the B. Then which of the stated relationship is correct? Heart is inferior to the clavicle. Which is correct? Relationship is stated. Stated. Relation is correct. The heart is inferior to the clavicle. Shoulder is a distal phalanx. The phalanges are proximal and metacarpal. The eye of middle is eyeballs. So its correct answer will be the A. Because his heart is inferior to the clavicle. It is correct relationship with the organs. Dorsal decubitus describe the how patient is patient lying in back. Dorsal it is meant with the prone positions. So its correct answer will be the C. Which statement is correct? The ear is a medial of eye, not elbow is proximal to shoulder, not. It is actually a distal part of shoulder. So it is chin is anterior to nose, no. The elbow is distal to the shoulder. Is correct answer C. Radioactive isotope used in liver is a rose bengal 131. Iodine 131 is the thyroid scan. Technetium is used in bone, and mercury nitrate is no one. Which one of the following radiation of 12 milli-electron at least penetration in alpha rays? And then what is the term of a radioactivity correctly used in referring particle to photon stimulated from the unstable nuclei? It is correct answer is radioactivity, particle of photon emitted from unstable nuclei. Which of the following is ionization electromagnetic radiation? Gamma rays. Most ionization radiation is ionized. Most ionization of gamma radiation, most ionization electromagnetic radiation is a gamma rays. Which of the following is not used in moderator in nuclear reactor in fission or fusion? Light water. Is correct answer is C. It is a cyanotype radioactive background. And C is Curie is conventional. C for conventional, that's why the C is a Curie is mnemonic. And if the supply frequency of transformer increase the secondary output voltage transformer, is correct answer to the A. Okay, next further question are discussed in next part. Thank you so much.